All right, you guys, here we go. Hit the water and big go. Take it off. Nice and deep in the floor now. All right, keeping it real here in Jupiter. Here we go, Backwards, look at that. Oh my God, it's a tail wagging backwards ride there. All the way. Look at that, spin around. Oh my God. That was sick. Here we go, look at that. Oh, what's it? What, Jim? Tighten, look at Tighten. Oh, we go for the nose. Lost to Samuel, going backwards. Going back, look at that, both dogs. We also got dog on blue. Woo, do a little spin around. Samuel decides to just ride it backwards. Oh, yeah, man, he's gonna do a slow turn maybe all the way to the beach. Yep, tail wagging.